Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting at YouTube in your browser. Make sure you're signed in so settings stick. First, open YouTube. Calm and locate your profile avatar in the top right corner. Click the avatar to reveal the account menu. This gives you direct access to appearance and language controls. If you see a sign-in prompt, complete it now, enter your email and any two-step code. Once signed in, keep the menu open for the next step because that's where you'll toggle dark mode. With the profile menu open, look for Appearance or Theme, click it to open theme choices. Choose Dark Theme to force YouTube's dark UI, or pick Use Device Theme to follow your OS setting. This is useful if you switch frequently. If Appearance isn't visible, click Settings, then Appearance in the left column. The same options appear there. Make your selection and watch the interface switch immediately. This changes only YouTube's look, not other websites, so you control visual comfort here. Once you select Dark Theme, scan a few pages and play a video to confirm the change applied across YouTube. If the site still looks light, reload the page or clear the browser cache and cookies, then try again. Make sure no browser extension or privacy tool is forcing a different style sheet. Disable extensions temporarily to test. Finally, if you used Use Device Theme, ensure your OS dark mode is enabled. If problems persist, sign out.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.